A messy bedroom can add anxiety to everyone, cause stress, and even interfere with your quality of sleep. So, here are some steps that I follow to tidy up my room and transform it into the place that I deserve. As you can see, my bedroom is kind of messy up and needs some work on it. The very first task that I always do is to get ready. I dress up with comfy clothes, I tie my hair, and I turn on some music. Actually, choosing the music I want to listen to is one of the hardest decisions in the whole process of cleaning my room, and sometimes it takes to me too much time. First of all, I raise the blinds and open the window. In this way, new fresh air cleans the environment. It's now when the cleaning process starts. I always start making my bed. I think that the bed is the central point of the room. Making the bed first, the whole appearance of the room changes. It is really important to aerate both the fitted sheets and the bed sheet. Then I only put over the bed sheet the quilt, the pillow, the bed cover, and the cushions. Now the final touch, and that's it. See it, the room looks really different now, and that motivates me to continue with the tidying up process. The next thing I always do is to put everything out of place in their own place. I start with my desktop, and then I follow with my chest of drawers and the shelving. But this time, both the chest of drawers and the shelving does not have anything on them that are out of place. So now it's time to start with the actual cleaning. First of all, I start with the broom. It totally makes the difference because in my city it is always windy, so large amount of dust and dirt enters through the windows. In addition, I realized that people in the US put off their shoes before entering in their homes. Nobody do it in Spain. This custom also helps to keep the floor clean. To remove the dust and dirt that are on the furniture, I use the duster. I sometimes use glass cleaner to make my desktop, mirror and window to shine. Continuing with the floor, I use the paper mop so I can remove even more dust and dirt. And after that, I finish the cleaning using the polishing mop. Hey guys, do you see the difference? Now the room looks very different. Doing all these steps only takes about an hour and a half, and you don't need to do all of them every day. I think that after making the bed and putting everything in its place, you would only need to broom the floor and use the duster. It makes a very big difference.